I scarred my armpit.
You make me have to pee. Alright, let's try this again. I mean, yeah, I know. Come on the roof with me.
I hurt my armpit.
Don't do it again then.
How do you get out here?
Just climb.
I'm afraid.
Just climb.
I'm gonna hurt my armpit.
This isn't gonna work.
I'm up. My hands are cold.
How are you gonna get back down?
Oh my god. I'm gonna hurt my armpit.
Oh, it fell a little bit. On a better note, look at the beautifulness. Oh, yes.
Can I grab onto your leg?
Yeah, go ahead. Uh-oh. Are you gonna get back down?
I don't know.
Ow!